name is Brooke Thompson, and I'm going to show you how to turn on the smartboard. Just hit this button right here, and it's orange when it's turned off, and it turns green. Just turn on, and it takes a couple seconds for it to come on.
Okay, my name's Morgan Clark, and I'll show you how to work with tags and objects.
And my name is Dina Martin, and I'm going to show you how to use the Infinite Cloner and use the digital ink. And I'm also going to show you how to use the gray screen to be able to hide objects on a slide.
Hi, my name is Sarah Powell, and I'm going to be showing you how to save your document and how to use multimedia objects.
I'm going to show you how to orient the screen, and you hold down both of those buttons, and then you hit the center of each target. Now just make sure that everything you do is in the right place.
The next thing I'm going to show you is how to use the objects. After you oriented your screen, you're going to go up here and you're going to use the circle and the square button. You're going to click on it and you get to choose whatever shape you want. So we're going to drag our finger to make the shape. And then after you make the shapes, I'm going to show you how to use the text, which is the A with the red line underneath it. You're just going to click. And you just pick your font, and you're going to draw a text box. And to be able to write in the text box, you go down here to click the keyboard on your toolbar, and it's going to bring up the keyboard. I'm going to type my name. And you're going to click X, and there's your name.
And then I'm going to show you how you can hide anything on your slide if you want to, and we're going to use this first little projection box right here, and it just puts up like this gray screen, and you can either move it over this way to reveal what you have behind it, or you can do it from top to bottom, and then you can just click the X to get rid of it. And also I'm going to show you how to use the pens, use the ink. You pick up any color ink, and whatever color ink pen you pick up is what it's going to write in. You can write, I'm going to write my name. You can also, while you're holding the pen, you can also write on the board with your finger if you need to. And then you put that down, and we can draw a box around it. And you can click on this arrow right here, and you can click on Recognize All, and it will change what you wrote to text. It recognized my name, but not the squiggly line, of course, but it changed it to text. And then the Infinite Cloner is, make sure you're on the arrow, and you click on an object that you want to clone, and you click on the arrow button, and we're going to go down to Infinite Cloner, and then you can just take this object and you can clone it as many times as you want to. And if you use a different object like this one, you have to do the Infinite Cloner for each object. When you're doing one that's not colored in, you need to make sure you're touching the line before you move it to clone it.
Now I'm going to come in and I'm going to show you how to save your document. You find your save little disk right here, click on it. Now again, to bring up the text, because you need to type in a file name, you click your keyboard, and I'm going to call it by my name. Now you exit so that it'll go away. Now then all you have to do is push save. Now if you wanted to go back, all you would have to do is go to your open file and just go to the name that you named it. Now, I'm going to get us some new sheet of paper. Or I guess I'll just use this one. Alright, we're going to go to the Multimedia Interactive just to show you how to work with different objects. Now you can choose anything that you want. I think I'm going to go down to the duck, the goose. So all I got to do is click it and then pull it over to the screen. To get rid of that, you can just do that. Now, if you just go right here and you click the sound, volume's probably not turned up enough. There you go. Now you can hear the goose a lot. Thank you very much for watching our presentation on how to use a smartboard.